y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, coming at you straight off of work, still in my scrubs, to tell you about what I packed in my lunch. So I'm happy to share a recipe that I got from one of my coworkers. Shout out to you, girl. She made a recipe for a Korean beef bowl, and I was like, that could be veganized. So that's exactly what I did. I mean, I took the recipe and, Sister Girl Tuesday-fied it. I don't know if that made sense, but I hope you picked it up. And it was really good. I do have some pro tips after making it that I'm going to share in the voiceover. But I'm really excited to share it with you because you know the slogan that everybody eats when it's vegan. So let's get to it. If you are ready to see, just keep watching. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're going to do is add some oil to your pot or skillet, just enough to saute your vegetables. And we're going in with onion, and then we're going to have a little bell pepper. I chose to use yellow to complement my nice orange carrots, followed by some minced garlic. If you've got time to mince it, even better. I'm going to just mix all of that together. I've got it on medium-high heat and step away from it and start working on my sauce. So I've got brown sugar, I've got a little crushed red pepper, I'm going in with some ground ginger, a little bit of black pepper, and it's really good to mix this up before you add in your liquid, which is going to be low sodium soy sauce. And honestly, I would have used regular soy sauce so I wouldn't have to add kosher salt at the end. And I almost forgot my toasted sesame oil. Add that in and then whisk it all together. Heading back to the stove, I'm going to add in my ground beef alternative. So I've got my vegan crumbles here, and I'm just going to move that around, let it all get coated, and then pop a lid on it. Like I said, it's on medium-high heat, and it looks great. So it's time to add in the sauce and reduce the heat. Get it all in there, and you just want to make sure that everything that you've got in your pot is well coated. And just like that, you can serve it up with some rice, garnish with a little green onion, and voila! Let me know what you think in the comment section below.